Good day everyone, I am Jerly May Romero from BSA 1A and today I am going to share the two concepts that I want to apply sa student in Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Government College or ZDS-PGC. These concepts are from Lesson 2 and Lesson 3 and I believe they can help me become a better student and a better person. The first concept is from Lesson 2, which is George Herbert Mead's I and Me Self, together with the private self, public self, and collective self. According to George Herbert Mead, the self has two important parts, the I and me. The I represents the personal side of ourselves. It is the part that allows us to express our ideas, talents, creativity, and opinions. It helps us become unique individuals. On the other hand, the me represents the social side of ourselves. It reminds us to follow rules, respect other people, and think about our actions can affect those around us. As a student in ZDS-PGC, I believe that both the I and the me are important. I want to use my I by participating in class, discussions, sharing my ideas, asking questions, and doing my best in every activity. At the same time, I want to develop my me by being respectful to my teachers, classmates, and school staff, following school rules, and being responsible in everything I do. This lesson also discusses the private self, public self, and collective self. The private self is how I see myself. It includes my strengths, weaknesses, beliefs, and personal values. I want to understand myself better so I can improve my weaknesses while continuing to develop my strengths. The public self is how other people see me. I want people to know me as a respectful, honest, responsible, and hardworking student. I know that my actions, attitude, and behavior will influence how others see me. Lastly, the collective self reminds me that I am part of a bigger community. As a student of ZDS-PGC, I belong to my class, my course, and my school. I want to cooperate with my classmates during activities, participate in school programs, and help create a positive learning environment because success is not only about individual achievement but also about working together with others. The second concept is from Lesson 3, which is the dialogical self and identity struggles. The dialogical self theory introduced by Robert Hermans explained that we have different roles depending on the situation we are in. Say for example, I can be a student in school, a daughter at home, a friend to my classmates, and a member of my community. Even though these are different roles, they all make up who I am. As a student in ZDS-PGC, I want to apply this concept by balancing all of my responsibilities. I will do my best to become a responsible student by studying hard, a respectful daughter by helping my family, and a supportive friend by encouraging my classmates whenever they need help. I believe that learning how to balance these different roles will help me grow into a responsible and well-rounded person. Another concept in Lesson 3 is identity struggles. Identity struggles happen when the way we see ourselves is different from other people see us. Sometimes people judge us because of our appearance, our mistakes, or even the course we are taking, without really knowing who we are. As a student, I know that I may experience criticism or misunderstandings. Instead of letting those negative opinions affect my confidence, I will use constructive criticism to improve myself and continue working toward my goals. I also want to remember not to judge other people because everyone has their own experiences, challenges, and stories that we may not know. These concepts will help me understand myself better, balance my different roles in life, respect others, accept constructive criticism, and become a more responsible, confident, and disciplined student. I believe that by applying these concepts, I can not only succeed in my studies, but also become a better person inside and out the classroom. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.